The mini nailer rivet gun is lightweight and small in size. With a total weight of less than 1 kilogram, it is easy to handle and carry to various scenes. The Craig Jig R3 is a great way to get started building with Craig joinery. It's a good choice if you build a few projects each year, or if most of your projects are smaller in scale. Plus, the R3 is handy to have on hand for making repairs around the home. A Craig Jig is the perfect tool for repairing broken drawers, beat-up bookcases, wobbly chairs, fractured frames, and so much more, without messy glue or nails. You'll be amazed how easy it is to fix what you have, instead of having to replace it, using the Craig joinery system. Mead Tool 23 pieces Woodworking Chamfer Drilling Tool, 8 pieces Wood Plug Cutter Drill, 7 pieces 3-pointed countersink drill bit with L wrench, 6 pieces 1/4 inch hex 5 flute 90-degree countersink drill bits. Whether you're working on a table saw, router table, or shaper, setting your tool to the precise height necessary is absolutely essential. The exclusive 3-gauge design of the precision setup bars makes them perfect for a wide variety of applications. Exclusive 3-gauge design makes them perfect for many applications. Concave step on bottom of each bar allows for precise height adjustment. Step on top of each bar acts as gauge to test depth of completed cuts. Step on end of each bar can set distance from table saw blade to fence, or router bit to fence. Ten-piece carbide tipped bit set, professional series with 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch shank router bits. PowerTech Dust Collection Hose and Hand Sander Pad Kit. This unique woodworking dust collection set provides you with a hand sander block designed for quick touch-ups for light and heavy-duty projects, and includes an ultra-flex dust collector hose and attachment set. Rockwell Johor's Portable Material Support Station. When you are ought to do a tough repair job, sawing, installation or a construction job and are in need of an extra pair PF hands for help, the Rockwell Jaw Stand is what you need. The jaw stand will provide the much needed support and keep the material stable. The adjustable foot pedal is what makes the machine really hands-free. The jaws of the stand extends to 37-inch, providing a range suitable for materials of different shapes and sizes. Works 2.5A oscillating tool with clip-in wrench and 70 pieces accessory kit.
The rolling foldable table saw stand delivers both rugged work platform stability for optimal bench-top operations and effortless workstand mobility and storage for project versatility and convenience. Solid steel plates and steel tubular body offer maximum reliability and top performance. Heavy, large machines, such as table saws, can be mounted onto the steel plates or directly on the stand itself, and hardware for each attachment style is included. Its 22 5/8-inch bed height is ideal for use with table and tile saws and other similar machines.
This 3 3/8-inch mini circular saw features a compact, lightweight design that makes it easy to operate. Designed with 4.2 amp motor and 3500 to 6500 RPM variable speed for handling applications. Comes with guide rails, the mini circular saw ensures a straight and precise cutting line for cutting wood, plastic, metal and tile.